all I can say is I cannot wait to see you guys here in sunny South Africa, especially if we do another Durban tour. You need to get on it. See ya. Hey guys, here with the real South Africa again. We are gonna check out this house. This house is roughly about 20 mil. That's what they're asking for. Of course, you guys, you can always put in an offer. You know, I'm gonna walk around here. Oh, I just ran into a big old spider web. So this is the grounds. This is the outside. So I'm gonna knock that out. And yeah. So this is what it looks like. Tell you, man, they got top-notch properties here. You know, obviously to gain access, you got to be part of a situation. They got their koi. This is good. That spider web big. Oh, I can't get it off me. Yeah. So, now that we're in, at your kitchen, you got all the space to relax. So this is your outside area. This is your areas to entertain, just relax, or use it as a workspace. You got choices. You got choices. And this place is set up, it's more family oriented and whatnot. So as you see, that's the upstairs. I'm sure all the bedrooms are up there. And you see everybody relaxing up there. And yeah, so there go our people. And they're absolutely enjoying themselves. Having a little quiet conversations. So I'm gonna go into this room. This must be the TV room. Keep in mind, once you purchase it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. If you got your own vision, or you got your person to come in, you can get it done. And then let me try to. The garage is over there, and let me go upstairs real quick. Ooh. Okay. One of the bedrooms. So this is the master. Okay. I might as well go on in there too. Yeah. All right. Okay.
Another area to do.
Yeah, that's for the kids. Okay, guys.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss out on all things the real South Africa. Thanks again.